When you're fast asleep, in dreams you can lose your heartache. Whatever you wish for, you keep. Good morning. My name is Rhonda Ohlson from Woman Shine. Let your true colours shine through and express the real you. This morning I woke up dreaming that I was trying to text the word FORWARD. And at first I couldn't get the letters right. And I looked behind me and I saw this great pile of stuff. And it seemed like everything I'd ever owned in my past was there behind me. And suddenly I saw this great pile of stuff just crumble into rubble. And then I was able to finish the text of the word forward, move forward. And I thought about in this time that we're in, it's very easy to look at all the rubble that's been created with all the news about the coronavirus and to get overwhelmed and feel burdened by the responsibility of all of this. You know, a good friend of mine works in business and she was saying that a lot of her colleagues were usually very motivated and uplifted and dreaming for the future are just not dreaming anymore. They're feeling very anxious and uncertain about the future. And I think many of us are feeling this way. I know I am, and maybe you are as well. So how do we how do we come back to ourselves in times like this? It's in our world, what's happening now is the old world is actually crumbling really, and we will never be the same. And how do we accept that and let that world crumble so that rubble can then be the foundation of support for the new building? Just like, you know, when buildings are built, they break down the old building and all that rubble is often used as the foundation for the new building. So this morning in my Aging with Ease and Grace class at 10 o'clock, which is only another half an hour, I'm teaching a lesson about shoulders. And what I've noticed is happening with myself, as I'm sitting there watching the news and I'm going like this and going like this, feeling really weighed down. And so what I do in terms of a Feldenkrais way of dealing with this is to just take myself into that even more, just hold myself and say, it's like I have compassion for myself. I'm so sorry you're feeling burdened by everything at the moment. And then I just let my arms just sink down and just touch my legs, just gently stroking down my legs and feeling there's like I'm just giving into that feeling at first, just like letting everything just soften, letting my chest just soften. And then I might feel I can just take a breath, and the breath can then come down more into my belly. So just taking a breath into the belly and feeling like I'm a tree and I've got my roots going down into the earth, a beautiful big old tree with the trunk very wide and the roots very deep down into the earth. And letting my feet just plant down into the earth and just gently pressing my feet into the ground and feeling as my feet press into the ground that my spine can start to lengthen so that I'm supported from the base up. My heart can open and my shoulders can just soften back so that I can fly rather than feel burdened. So I hope this little tip can help you deal with the burdens in your life. If you'd like to know more, you're very welcome to come to the class this morning. It's about freeing our shoulders, and it's at 10 o'clock. I'll put the link in the box below, and you're most welcome to join us. No matter how your heart is grieving, if you keep on believing, the dream that you wish will come true. This is Rhonda Ohlson signing off from Women's Shine.